New Photoshop update lets you copy the entire vibe of any photo, color, lighting, shadows, all match in seconds. That's crazy, right? Let me show you how. I've got this background image. First, I'll go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded and select the image. Now let's resize the image. And then we'll remove the background. You can use any tool you like, but I am using Quick Selection tool to activate the select subject. Since I have cloud processing on, I'll just click select subject. And in a few seconds, it nails the selection. Then hit layer marks and boom, background's gone. But here is the problem. The lighting, color and shadows doesn't match the background at all. To fix that, we'll use the Photoshop new magic feature. Go to the window menu and turn on contextual taskbar. Right here you'll see harmonize option. This is a brand new feature in Photoshop beta. Click harmonize and wait a few seconds. It will give you 3 different variations with lighting and colors matched to the background. I'm going with this one. Let's compare the before and after. Now this looks perfectly blended and realistic. That's insane. Let's try it again on another image. I've got this picture. I'll add a new subject. Remove the background using the AI tool from the contextual taskbar. Resize it and hit harmonize. Few seconds later, done. The lighting and colors are matching beautifully. And if you can't decide between the 3 options, just hit regenerate to get more. That's how easy it is. You do need Photoshop beta to use this feature, so hit subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you how to get it for free.